Picture earning $4 in less than 30 seconds by hitting a button, watching a short film and doing some work. How wonderful is that? I'll demonstrate how you can view a straightforward video like this one right now and begin making $200 to $400 in less than a minute. You can earn the following amount of money by watching only one video. You can anticipate earning about $4. By watching 10 videos, you can make $40, and by watching 50 videos each day, you can easily make $200. This is truly remarkable, and all you need to get started is a smartphone or computer. This method is also totally free and available everywhere. In this video, I'll explain how to quickly register a free account and show you which video will pay you the most quickly. Make sure you don't miss any of it because I'll show you a real-world example and prove how to get started near the end of this video, along with a bonus tip, and will help you earn an extra $300. But before we get started, welcome to Daily Cash Tips, where we'll show you some brand new ways to make money online in 2022. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. To be notified every time a new profitable video from our channel is released, click the notification bell button. Share this with your friends and family as well, so that you and everyone else is aware of this excellent money-making technique. Simply leave a comment below if you have any queries, worries, or thoughts regarding the video. We look forward to reading them. Okay, first enter the term twitch.tv in the search box on google.com, and then click the search button. Here, you should be able to find the first link, twitch.tv. Now, I want you to click on this link, which will lead you to the page you can see here with a selection of free videos and channels. As you can see, these films primarily feature video games. So, in order to earn a lot of money online, we're going to employ movies like this one. Now that you've clicked the browse button up here, you'll be sent to this page where you may browse the different categories and videos on this website. I want you to focus on this section, which is the Fortnite category. Click on this category to access the Fortnite area because it is one of the most popular gaming videos right now. As you can see, many people are interested in watching these films. If you scroll down further, you'll find even more videos that you can watch and get paid to do so. I want you to go to this website, bookie.io, for the following steps. Don't worry, it is actually quite simple, and I will show you exactly how to do it in this video. As you can see here, this is going to be the website that we'll be using today to watch simple films like this and earn a lot of money online. Look at how it functions. Before you may shorten a long URL link, you must first register for a free account on this website. For instance, if I select copy, I'll copy this video link, return to this page, and paste the twitch.tv URL link directly here. Finally, I'll only select this button to shorten the link. This is the website's shortened URL, and this is where the magic happens. You will now continually receive payment for each click made on your shortened link right here. Also, the amount of money you receive will vary based on who clicks on your link. For instance, if someone clicks on your link from Germany, you'll get $4, whereas someone from the United States gets $4.10. Let's examine the table below now. When they click on your shortened link, you can see how the payment amount differs depending on the country they are from. Look at this. There are people utilizing this website right now and making money every day. They can offer you a range of payment options, including PayPal, Payza, Skrill, WebMoney, Bitcoin, and bank transfers. With that said, please leave a comment below and let me know which payment method is most popular in your nation. Okay, let me show you how to open a free account. Simply click the sign up button at the top to get started. Click the submit button after entering your login and email address, confirming your password right here, and clicking this to demonstrate that you are not a robot. You may then log in into your new account to see how many people have clicked on your link and how much money you can make by staying on this page. You can see that there are no US dollars listed here because this is a brand new account and we haven't yet shortened any link. I want you to go back to twitch.tv right now and we'll locate 3 videos there. The first, second, and third videos are all available online. We'll go back to the first video now, and before we do, scroll down and hit the share button. The website will automatically help shorten this link into a lot shorter link when you click the shorten button after copying this video URL link right here and pasting it into the box when you return to your account dashboard. I'll just duplicate what you say, and then I'll hand you the script that has already been written. You may copy and paste this into your own Fortnite video post to start making money right away. After giving a brief overview of the game, we'll see something like, for more Fortnite videos, click the link below to watch now. And this is where we'll provide the short links to the 3 videos. Let's say I post a reduced URL underneath the first video right here. You can see that this is my first URL link, which means that you will receive a different amount of money depending on the country from which people click on your link. To repeat the process, just go back to the second video right here. Click on the share button and copy this lengthy URL link. Once more, the website will automatically shorten the link into the link right here, so all we have to do is click the copy button to return to our copy and paste template, where all you have to do is paste the second link right here on video number 2, as you can see. Go back to our dashboard, paste the new link right here from the second video, and click on the shorten button. Anyhow, we're going to navigate to the third video. Scroll down below and click the share button a second time to copy the video URL link. Then we'll return to our dashboard, delete everything, paste the new third video link, click on the shorten button, and presto, we have our final link, which we can simply copy and paste into the template. You may copy and paste the entire template I'm about to offer you and use it to start making money right away. Before this video closes, I'll provide you with some extra bonus recommendations as usual. Now, I want you to go to forums.pcgamer.com, a very well-known and well-liked community where people discuss a variety of gaming-related issues, including Fortnite videos. Here, there is constantly active dialogue and people discussing about gaming. As you can see, there are more than 37,000 messages and more than 1,000 posts in the section titled PC Gaming Discussion under the category General Gaming. If I click on this link, it will take me to a page with a variety of posts. Many people post very brief and straightforward messages on this forum, and they frequently receive a lot of views. There are a lot of people talking and debating this topic when I search for the term Fortnite, and there is now a lot of demand for gaming videos. On Twitch TV, you can see individuals viewing the Fortnite videos. This forum is a fantastic place to copy and paste the same template and share it with the community. You can earn money when people click on any of your shortened links, and the more people who click on your link, the more money you can earn depending on what country they're from. This is exactly how all this spent here can make significant sums of money online right here on this website. That's it for now. I hope this video was able to teach you something and that I was able to show you a different way to make money online. Please remember to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel if you enjoyed this video. You may be notified when we upload new videos by pressing the notification bell button. Watch for our upcoming video and I'll see you there.